The Dominican Republic eTicket is the digital form multiple institutions require to enter or leave the Dominican Republic. It combines the traveler's health affidavit, customs declaration, and international embarkations in just one document, but it doesn't replace a visa in any way. Hi, I'm Dalma, your iVisa travel expert, and in this video, you'll learn all about the Dominican Republic eTicket and how to apply for one online. Here are a few iVisa tips on traveling to the Dominican Republic. Tip 1. Learn some Spanish phrases. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, knowing some basic Spanish phrases can be incredibly helpful when traveling throughout the Dominican Republic. Simple phrases like hola, gracias, and por favor can go a long way in showing respect and appreciation for the local culture. Tip 2. Pack lightweight clothing. The Dominican Republic has a tropical climate, so it's important to pack lightweight and breathable clothing. Opt for loose fitting items made of natural fibers like cotton and linen. You'll also want to pack plenty of sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun. Tip 3. Try the local food. Dominican cuisine is a delicious blend of African, European, and indigenous influences. Be sure to try local specialties like mofongo, sancocho, and tostones. You'll find these dishes at local restaurants and food stalls throughout the country. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. With the warm weather and high humidity, staying hydrated is important when visiting the Dominican Republic, trust me. Be sure to drink plenty of water and avoid drinking tap water, which may not be safe for consumption. Instead, buy bottled water or water that has been purified. Tip 5. Be mindful of your surroundings. Like any tourist destination, the Dominican Republic has its fair share of scams and pickpocketing. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas like markets and tourist attractions. Keep your valuables in a secure place and only carry what you need for the day. Now, you might be wondering, who needs a Dominican Republic e-ticket? Anyone who wants to enter or leave the Dominican Republic has to complete it, whether they're a national or a visitor. All tourists must apply for the Dominican Republic e-ticket to enter and exit the country legally and safely. Although, consider that if you are traveling with your family, you can apply it once and fill out the form with all the information of your other family members, including minors, so that's really good. You can apply for the Dominican Republic e-ticket even on the same day you travel. If you apply more than 60 days in advance, we'll keep your application on hold and submit it for when you're eligible to apply. Applying in advance is a great way to reduce travel stress and stay on top of your plans, so we do recommend it. The e-ticket is a single entry document and is only valid on entry to the Dominican Republic, so you must apply for one each time you travel to the country. The form can be filled out 72 hours before arrival to the Dominican Republic until right before going through immigration. You will have time to fill it out, but leaving it to the last minute is not recommended. Now, let's talk about how to apply for a Dominican Republic e-ticket. Technically, you can get your Dominican Republic e-ticket for free. However, it may be tedious for you to do it on your own because of its lengthy and ambiguous language, especially if you don't speak Spanish. If you want to avoid the headache of completing boring paperwork, we recommend you use iVisa.com because our team of experts will be ready to help you at any time while you wait comfortably at home. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download the iVisa app or go to iVisa.com. Choose your nationality in the Dominican Republic as your destination. Step 2. Now click on Apply Now. Step 3. Type in your email address. Make sure you write your address correctly as this is the address we'll use for all communications, including you sending you the Dominican Republic e-ticket. Step 4. Now fill out some information such as your birth date and passport information. Step 5. Select processing time according to your preference. We have 3 options available. If you're doing this with time, you can choose the standard processing time. But if you're doing this in a rush, we have the rush and the super rush services. Step 6. Include an additional service if you want to, like iVisa Plus. The iVisa Plus subscription offers unlimited travel documentation and 24/7 prioritized customer support for a yearly fee. Perfect for frequent travelers. And just like that, all of your worries are now ours. Our well-experienced travel experts at iVisa are more than welcome to process your visa request and answer any questions you may have. Our platform is much less complicated than dealing with foreign governments and much faster. Our experts take care of everything, providing an easier and stress-free way to apply for your visas. This way, you can focus on what matters, traveling, which should be simple. But getting travel documents can feel complicated and overwhelming. At iVisa, we pride ourselves on being the most reliable experts so you can focus on what's important. We've been doing it for over a decade. That's why over 1 million travelers have chosen us to help them get their documents. documents, because we make traveling simple, reliable, and stress-free. Do you have any questions about visiting the Dominican Republic or applying for a travel visa? Feel free to write them down in the comment section and we'll get back to you ASAP. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel-related content, travel hacks, and life-saving travel content all in the same place. I'm Dama, your iVisa travel expert, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!